How to make people respect you. Have you ever wondered when people would start respecting you and how you can make others respect you? You want to be respected, but you're not sure how it all works. What do people you genuinely respect do differently from the typical person? While you're thinking about it, here are some of my personal suggestions. 1. Learn to say no. Never feel bad about saying no occasionally. Also, don't worry about lost possibilities. You don't have to agree to every request that someone makes of you, particularly if it comes from a client or a boss. Sometimes, refusing something earns you more respect than agreeing to do it. Saying no demonstrates your willingness to acknowledge that you value your time and that you cannot fit everything into your schedule. 2. If you are being mistreated, speak up. When someone mistreats or takes advantage of you, don't simply accept it. Be respectful and professional, but don't remain silent. It's not always easy to speak up for oneself, which is why doing so is a sign of being a respectable person. 3. Stand up for someone else. Do you turn a blind eye to injustice when you witness it to avoid a confrontation? Even though you may not always have a choice, there are instances when you must speak out for others, especially if they are unable to do it for themselves. You don't have to please everybody. As long as you handle it diplomatically, don't be scared of the occasional confrontation. 4. Don't believe the self-talk. Of course, it goes without saying that you need to respect yourself if you want other people to respect you. We all experience difficult days, so it's not always simple. You'll talk negatively to yourself on those days. Don't believe it. Recognize your strengths and accept lessons from your mistakes. Knowing that failure and imperfections are the road to excellence gives one confidence. 5. Be inspiring. By being open and honest with people about your intentions and goals, you might inspire others. You may inspire others by persistently expressing your belief in their ambitions and motivating them to pursue their goals. 6. Add real value. You will be respected if you consistently consider how you may add value to others, whether you're a member of a community, a business, a group of friends, or a team. The value may take many different shapes, but in the end, it all comes down to giving the world or your community something that can benefit by helping them by addressing a problem. People will respect you if you develop something valuable. 7. Control your emotions. Make an effort to control your immediate reactions to things that elicit strong emotions in you, whether they are positive or negative. It's fine to be yourself and express enthusiasm. But keep in mind that excellent leaders and respected individuals understand the distinction between responding and reacting. The latter is a bad habit. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.